In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your chart of accounts into QuickBooks Online. This is a simple process, and once you know where to go, it only takes a few moments. Importing your chart of accounts can save time and help you avoid entering each account manually, especially if you're setting up a new company file or moving information over from another system. The main goal here is to make sure your account list is brought into QuickBooks Online in a clean and organized way. To get started, go to the top right corner of QuickBooks Online and click on Settings. This is where you'll find many of the setup and administrative tools for your company. Once the Settings menu opens, select Import Data. This area is specifically designed to help you bring information into QuickBooks from outside files, so it's the right place for this task. After that, look for the drop-down option and choose Chart of Accounts. This tells QuickBooks exactly what kind of data you want to import. Then click Import to move to the next screen. At this point, QuickBooks gives you two different ways to continue. You can either import using Spreadsheet Sync to an Excel sheet, or you can click Upload and import from File. The option you choose will depend on how your data is currently stored and which workflow is more convenient for you. If you already have your chart of accounts prepared in a file, uploading it directly is usually the fastest route. Before importing, it's a good idea to download the sample file. This helps you confirm that your spreadsheet is formatted the way QuickBooks expects. Even if your file already looks correct, using the sample as a reference can help prevent import errors and make the process smoother. It's a quick check that can save you time later. Once you've reviewed the sample and made sure your file is ready, go ahead and import your file. QuickBooks will then process the information and bring your chart of accounts into the system. If everything is formatted properly, the import should complete without much trouble. And that's it. Your chart of accounts is now imported into QuickBooks Online. As a final tip, after the import finishes, take a moment to review the accounts inside QuickBooks to make sure everything appears as expected. That extra check can help you catch any formatting issues right away and keep your books organized from the start.